Look what came a whole day early. Let's take it out back, unbox it, and see what a $100 frame looks like. So I've looked over the frame. Everything looks straight. All the tabs are there. I'm gonna address the surface rust, cover some spots that are missing some paint. Just to be clear, I could have easily sent this off to be powder coated and dress it up all nice, but that isn't what I want from this bike. I've done that in the past with other builds, but with this I want it to be something I can take off road or drop and not worry about the aesthetics. A do-it-yourself adventure bike heavily inspired by the R80 GS. Maybe not as capable, but that's the direction I want to go with it. So because the race is so recessed into the stem here and it has this lip, I'm not able to get my washer underneath it, unfortunately. So I'm gonna bring this and the whole frame to my buddy's shop, try to run a bead on this to see if it'll fall out. If not, I'm gonna weld the washer in and then continue with my contraption to pull it out. Old races are out, new races are about to go in. I'm going to be using another homemade tool to compress the races in using these bearing drivers. I don't know if that bearing punch set was really even necessary. I was able to, once I got it seated in there, okay, just really hammer it in with a rubber mallet. Those look good. All right, that's why we'll stop right now. The next video, I need to focus on finding out how I can get this more stable. Maybe put the back wheel, put that on the center stand, bring the kickstand over here, and then start from the back with the tire. And you support this with jack stands. I'm not sure yet. We'll probably figure it out. But thanks for watching.